Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Gcam or Gcamera in Redmi 13C device. So guys, for this, all you guys have to do just go to Google and then here search for Gcam. Just search for Gcam APK download. So on the very first, we have this link. Just click here. After that, click on download now and then scroll it down so that we have option of Google Camera port 9.4. Just click here. Now all you guys have to do just select your mobile phone. Since I have a Redmi device, so I choose download for Xiaomi and SS phone. Just click here. So these are the Xiaomi links. So just scroll it down. As you see, we have option of Xiaomi 8.8.224.10. So download this link. Just click download link so that it will be start downloading. I have already downloaded. Just click here and then click on install. Okay, now this is scanning and then click on open. Just allow the permissions and that's it. So as you guys see that Gcam is now installed successfully. Have a look. You can choose to open the file from anywhere. Let me give you the short review about the features. So we have night sight here or night mode. We have portrait, camera mode, video mode, and if you're talking about modes, so we have panorama and photosphere. In video, we have the resolution of full HD 1080p, 4K and 8K also. So it means it has high resolution. So this is how we can download Gcam in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.